Your carpets see it all, collecting every memory and every mess, every single day. But getting a fresh start doesn't have to be intimidating. With the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner, it's easy to use, and it delivers the impressive deep cleaning power needed to leave tough messes in the past. Hoover's Power Spin Brush Roll scrubs deep into your carpets, while strong suction and heat force cut down on dry time. And PowerDash is super lightweight and compact, so whether you're tackling spills like this, accidents like this, or just giving your home a refresh, it's no big deal with the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner. Get impressive results only from Hoover, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner.
With all those muddy messes and inevitable spills, daily cleanups can feel never-ending. That's why the Hoover Power Scrub Elite delivers a powerful clean and faster dry time. Set it to quick clean to tackle surface stains right when they happen, while heat force helps dry your carpets in less than 45 minutes, so you can get right back to what matters most. Or just turn a dial to clean deeper, lifting embedded dirt and removing stubborn stains with ease. And no matter what mode you choose, Hoover's unique spin scrub brushes take on the toughest messes while being gentle on your carpet. So finally, there's a way to enjoy your clean home in less time. The Power Scrub Elite Carpet Cleaner by Hoover.
Presenting the Shark-powered lift-away. This powerful small vacuum converts to lift-away. Watch how power is delivered to the unique motorized brush roll. So vacuuming under beds and sofas is easy. With no loss of suction, cleaning stairs and hard-to-reach areas is a breeze. Watch how Shark's complete seal technology makes this Shark even better. Even with a HEPA filter, dust and allergens can escape back into the air. But the combination of Shark's complete seal technology and HEPA filter means that 99.9% of dust and allergens stay locked in. Plus, the controls are up on the handle, so moving from soft to hard flooring is done with the flick of a switch. The amazing Shark-powered lift-away 3-in-1. Shark Brilliant.